everyone, and welcome to Junction City and Guarantee RV on this beautiful sunny day. It's really hard to see. I don't know what that orb in the sky is, but it makes it beautiful out here. I'm here to show you this 2014 Winnebago Journey. A gorgeous unit and a price that's pretty incredible on it, as you can see in the window. This is a 34-foot unit. Front generator, it's a diesel unit. So I'll take you inside to start, and we'll come back outside and I'll show you all the room you have for storing all your camping needs. Come on in. Whew, I don't have to squint quite as much inside. First thing you'll notice when you walk in is this beautiful cabinetry that Winnebago's done in this gorgeous Journey. You've got a couch that will open up into an L shape for a little bit more comfortable chase lounge effect while you're watching TV, and when you're not, the television will go down into the cabinet to give you more space for food items or cabinetry items. Over here, if you want to put a vase of flowers, it's a perfect spot for a candlelight dinner at your new campground. More cabinetry, beautiful accents, and in this pull-out kitchen that comes, well, it stays in place actually, and the slide goes out beyond it. You've got your double sink covers, and again, lots of counter space for your food mastery. The 3-burner propane and a convection microwave. One of the few that also incorporates the stove, or oven, I guess you would call it. This is the stove. Lots of storage space in your drawers. And under the sink is a very large, I'll let the cameraman get that because that's a nice large space for a motorhome. They've thought this out pretty nicely for living in or your half-year travels. You've got a 3-door refrigerator with a bottom freezer, a beautiful KitchenAid. This is an all-electric. They are going more towards this. They're more efficient, they take up less room, and gives you a lot more space to have a bigger refrigerator. Moving on into the coach, you're going to come into your all-in-one bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, all in one area. You have a great dividing door if you want to keep your bedroom out of sight when you have guests. It's a beautiful closure. Coming into the master suite, we've got this amazing Tempur-Pedic Luxe. It's about a $4,000 bed. I looked it up online. That's what this bed was going for a couple of years ago, and it is wonderful. Television in the bedroom corner, and you've also got your stacking washer and dryer with ample closet space. The hidden cushion for the couch. The shoe area, just very well thought out. Lots of cabinetry and storage. This is a gorgeous unit, a must-see. Let's go outside and see how big those storage doors are. Total storage underneath, and it goes all the way to the other side. The doors on the other side will open as well. You could put just about anything you want in here. Maybe not an engine to your car or anything, but enough camping equipment. Locks into place, and away go the doors. Smaller cubby hole. That's where your def for your diesel engine will go. And in here, long storage, fishing poles, picnic tables. Coming around the back, you'll see that other ladder that was in the one slide out belongs to this ladder to give you access from below. Rear camera, of course your tow. That's access for all of your electrical and to turn on your house battery. Pardon the noise, it is Startup Wednesday. We run our diesel engines to keep them in shape and running. Your 50 amp power cord, as you can see, it's long enough. If you don't park real close to that pole, you'll still get there. This is your workstation with your outside shower and your hoses for your drain area. And again, those double doors opening from the other side. Propane and your weatherizing system. More of your electronical outlets and fuses. Electronic. Gorgeous unit. Again, you have to see this. If it strikes your fancy and you want more information, please give me a call or contact me at the email below. I'd be happy to get some more specifics on it for you. My name's Teresa here at Guarantee RV. I look forward to hearing from you soon.